Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Bharti and you are watching BeamUp channel, and we have started making this one of the project, that is SJ Luciano Kurk house. So we have almost did everything in this project, and today we are going to give it a finished touch, and I think would be the last tutorial on this series. So let's get started, and then we will start a new project, and maybe in a day or two. So let's get started with. So just open Revit, and let me tell you that you can find everything in the description of the video. So as you can see, hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Bharti. If you can see here, I have provided everything, every file that you need to make this project, and you can also start from the place where I have started this project. So it has been uploaded day wise, so you can also do that. So let's get started. Okay. So we were making this project, and it will take some time to open. And what we are going to do today is we are going to do some lighting part and few interior parts, and then we will start scheduling and making sheets. And what else we can do is we can make rooms and Revit and legends. So let's see what we can do in hour and 20 minutes. So that is how long our tutorial last. So this is how we did everything, and what we need now is we need to provide trees on the site. So just go to site. Okay, and after that just select. And what we need here, we need some trees. So you can either have the family that you have in Revit, but I will use this Nscape asset library. So let's see what we have here for trees. So it's not responding right now. Let me check why it is not responding. Okay, now I think it should respond. Okay, now it is. So just find tree, and you can use any tree that you want from this part. So I will use this these trees, like so. Just put trees everywhere, and remember you have to put the trees just in the side of this, not so far. We don't need it here. It will make your file a huge and it will take more time to render it. So just keep it beside your building, and let me show you how it is. So this is our building, and as you can see that we have slimmer trees at this point and all the sides, and here as you can see in the back side we also have more and more trees. So we will try to replicate that. So just open Revit, go to asset library. You can select file from here. Also in component we have some of the trees, so you, you can select from anywhere. So I'm just using this files right now, what I have in the asset library. So these are the trees that we have, and I think I provided a lot more trees right now. So I will provide a few more over here and there. Okay, done. From this side, this side, this side. Okay, done. So we have provided some of the trees. You can also, if you want to provide some lighting, for example, these are our street lighting, you can provide it. So we have not made any street right now, but we will use it over there and on the both side actually, and then you can use it um, and at this side and at this side, and done. After that, what else do we have as a family? So this is our one of the families, so we will use it also, and this is how we are going to use it. So just provide it here and over here and over here and over here, and done. And one more at this point, done. So these are the family that we have provided, and then we will search for something else. So let's do some interior parts also. So just go to ground level and just hide this tree, and as you can see that we have something over here, but we need to put some plants so that our building would look alive. So just search for plant, and here we can find some of it. So these are the plants that you can use for interior purpose, so I will use this ones. I will provide some of it at this part, and okay, it's done. Then few more, you can select anyone that you want. So what I'm going to select is this one also, and here is our gate, so we will provide it here. This is not our gate, this is our view from the outside, so we will provide one over here, one over here, then press escape, and you can also use some of these plants. So these are the interior plants, and plants make our house look alike. So just we cannot put it at this side, so you can put it over this point also, then escape, and you can plant a few more. I mean, you can put a few more trees or plants. So these are what we have here. So I think it's much more than enough. Then after that, what we need to provide it at the upper floor. So just hide this tree, that is double S to hide, and we will provide some of it. For example, we need something here, so if we want it, then only. And what we can do, we can provide a table. So just go to this, search for table, and now you can see that we have some of the table. For example, this is our site table, and you can use any one of it. So I will provide this site table. Where is that one? Site table. Okay, not here. This is our table, this is our smaller table. Let me see if I can put it here, but I don't think I need this table over this point. So I will just press escape, and I will search for side table, enter, and now you can find some of the side table. For example, I need this one, and I will put it here. So this is our side table. You can put it like this, and at this point also you can put it like this, and we need to provide some open book. So just go to here and do open book, and just select this one and put it over this side, and give it an offset of 1 feet 6 inches. So I will put it here, and as you can see that you cannot see through. So just double S to hide first, then give it a offset of 1 feet 6 inches. I do not know the exact distance that we needed, so I just provided it at 1 feet 6 inches. So first you can do is select this one, CS, or you can select this create similar or this copy. So I'm going to select this create similar and put it at this side, and then press escape and hide this one, and give it a height offset of 1 feet 6 inches. Done. And what else we need to do? Just press HR, remove this tree, double S to hide. We need to provide fan and lighting. So I will provide you family of the lighting and everything I have here. So you will get this whole folder. So we can use some of this lighting fixtures. So let me see first what else we have in this. So lamp, let me search if we have some lamp over at this point. So we have got something of this type, so you can use it. And it will take some time, and let me put it at this side, and now you can see that it is hidden right now. You can either see it from here, or you can hide it and give it a height offset of 1 feet 6 inches, and done. And I think 1 feet 6 inches is a bit low, so 1 feet 8 inches, and now it can visualize. So just click on create similar and put the same one at this point at different angle. Okay, and give it a height offset of 1 feet 8 inches, 1 feet 8 inches. Done. But here we have some problem. As you can see that book is seen inside this one. So either you can go to realistic view and check it out. So yes, it is going inside. So you can give a height of 1 feet 7 inches, and now it can be visualized from every side. So you can just do the same thing at this point and just select this and give it a offset of 1 feet 7 inches. Done. And now what we will do is we need to provide some of the lighting thing, and before that you can also make some ceiling. So what I'm going to do is first I will make some ceiling, and then I will provide lighting and the that fan. So just go to, first we will select upper ground level or ground level. We can select this ground level ceiling. Okay, we are going to select this one, and first remove this. So double S to hide this tree, and just go to architecture, go to ceiling, and now you can see that we have a ceiling from here to here everywhere, as you can see. So either you can just reduce the size of ceiling by giving it a separation by this, I think, room separator we have here. No, we don't have. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw this ceiling. So just go to sketch ceiling, select this point, and now you can draw this ceiling. So you can either select the 3D point from here to here to here to here and to here, and where this is here our stage start. So we will just end it at this point. Okay, no, we cannot end it at that point. So I'm going to delete this point, and then I'm going to increase the size of it, and then I will take a line, and from here I'm going to provide it from this point and from this point, and then TR for trim, and from here to here it has been trimmed, and you can trim it from this side to this side, and done. And one more thing that we have is we don't need it at this point. So just select this line, and put it over here and trim. So TR for trim, TR for trim, and done. It has been trimmed down. Then select this one, and you can just put it on the grid line, and now you can see that we have a ceiling over here at this point. Just press OK, and now you can see that there's something intersecting. So we will make it clear. Why is it intersecting? Okay, so just press TR, and you can put it inside actually, and you can put this one also in the inner side of it, and put this one also at the inner side, and done. So now we have a ceiling from kitchen to our living room everywhere, and there's one more something okay here. So just trim it out, and always check for that nothing is intersecting. So we have got our ceiling over here, and you can put this ceiling at 9 feet, and done. And now if you go to 3D and just try to see that ceiling, where is our ceiling? Our ceiling is something over this point. I think it was there. Okay, at this point. So at this point it is much lower, so we can just increase it to 12 feet, I think. And now, yeah, as you can visualize that this seems fine, but still we need to make it on the upper side. So at this 13 feet you can keep it if you want, or if you want to increase it a little bit more, then you can increase it by 14 feet. It is way too large for this one actually. Okay, we will keep it like this, and we will provide a wall, or you can provide extrusion to hide this portion. So what we are going to do, let me see if I have to keep this one or not. Okay, I will keep it at 16 feet. Let me check. If I put it at 16 feet, it is okay. I will put it at 16 feet, whatever size it is. So I just put it on the above upper side, and then just select it and give it a same material that we had earlier. So just go to edit type, and instead of this default finished material, just select your wooden material. For example, this one, so vertical, or this wood material. So what we are going to select is this vertical. We need that, or this wood material. I don't know what can be used here. So just I'm assuming this one. And now as you can see that we have done our ceiling part, and now we need to attach some of the lighting fixtures at that point. So I have opened our ceiling, and then we are going to load some of the lighting. Either you can just drag and drop it, or what you can do is just go to insert, and after that load family. And one more thing that you can do is just go to load family, and here you can find in English if you don't want to download, or if you don't have any of the family, then you can just go to English or English Imperial. Both folder you have the same lighting. So just go to lighting fixtures, for example here, and architecture, and you will find some of the lighting family over this point. So you can either use this lights, or you can use from the link that I have provided. And one more place that you can find it is here, that is load Autodesk family. It is only in Revit 2021. So just find here lighting. So here you can find light L for light. So I cannot, okay, this lighting devices and lighting fixture tags, lighting devices, these are the lighting devices. You can do select it from here. What I'm going to do is just go to load family, go to desktop, and for you it can be anywhere. So I'm going to select this lighting, and I'm going to take some of the lighting from this point. So what I'm going to select, I will select this one, I will select this one, I will select this one, I will select this pendulum, and I will select this fan. Okay, actually I think I can load, okay, one two, okay, I can load everything right now. So these are the lighting that I'm going to load in my project right now. So for internal purpose, for external, everything has been loaded at once. And what else do we need? We don't need anything extra. I've just opened all of the family, and now you can see that it is upgrading, and you will get every file that I have used, and even you will get this whole project. So you can find it in the description. Right now I'm trying to provide you with everything, so you can make your project from anywhere that you want to start your project from. So architecture, component, or not in component, you can just go click on component, and now you will see that we have lighting fixture. So you can provide it here, and none of the elements has been created. Place on face, let me check if I can place it on the face. And if I go to 3D, and now you can see that we can use this lighting directly actually. So let me try to put it here, and now as you can see that we have put our this lighting on this portion. So you can undo it, and you can hide this front wall, and you can just hide this one, and you can apply your lighting from this side like this. And let me do one more thing, just select this one and hide in view and category, and done, everything has been removed. So as you can see, we have one of the lighting. You can use different lighting. I'm just trying to see what other option that I have here that I can use for my project. So these are the lighting family, these are the light, these are not the lighting family. This one black, let me see, I will put it here, put it here, put it on this side, put it on this side. And what else I have? Mechanical steel lighting, not a type catalog. Okay, let me see if I can use it. And why I'm using all the light, I will first see what light does work for me right now, then I will use it for that main everything. So this definition has been loaded. This has three types of light, so I'm not going to use that one. This one I have used, I have not used this one, so I'm going to provide it here. You can also provide it on this side. And what else family we have? We have this. What is this? Okay, we have something like this, and where it can provide. Okay, just delete it. Just go to ground level, go to component, and let me see if I can use it here. I cannot use it. So let me check first how this light works, and then I will try to use it, where to put what light, and one or two more light I will put first. So where light, this is one of the light, lights on the face. We'll see. Because I have just downloaded all of this lighting family, that is why I'm first checking it, that will it work or not. So just go to landscape and start. you need to escape this part right now. Okay, and let me see first how the lighting works, because every light has different type of purpose in Revit, and nothing can be done about that. So in some of the lights you will see that it is growing much more than it is required, so everything is hidden right now. You can just put it like this button, and then select any of the tree, and then hide in view, and create and click on category, and now it's done. And now just go to this, and now you will see that we have our house at this place, like something like this. And I will just do the night rendering, and as you can see that which light works perfect for us. For example, this light works perfect. This doesn't look so good, but yet it works okay. And this light looks awesome, so you can provide it on the outside, that I already did. And this is not required right now, so I will just remove this light. You can put it in the bathroom side or in the bedroom. Okay, and what else light we have? So as you can see that this light doesn't work, so this light doesn't work so good, so I will remove that one. So what I'm going to use it is this one at every place, and this one in the room. And I think it's there's something problem with it. I Let me check it out. So just hide this wall, go to well stick, remove this, and now I can find that family. Can I? Okay, this is here. Just press space bar, and now you can see that we have got something like this. Okay, so we can use it on the sides. So I'm going to put everything at the right place right now. So let's get started. And what I will do is I will just pause the rendering. You can just stop your rendering. For your kind information, if you do not stop your rendering, and this model will not work properly. So just go to unhide, hide, and just hide every category. And we choose this one, click on CS, create similar, or you can choose your family. Then just go to ground level, and now let me try to put this on this side. For example, this CS, create similar, and you can place on the work plane, you can place on the face, you can place anywhere that you want. But as you can see that it is hidden, so what I'm going to do is I will take a section box, just take this section box, and then go to front view, and just make it a bit smaller, so till where we need it, so till here. And now you can see that this area is just empty, and you can make it smaller from this side, so that you can work on a smaller model. We don't need those parts right now. Okay, control Z, and where it's lost. Okay, done. So now we have this. Okay, we need to add this part a little bit more. Done. So just click on this CS for create similar, and now you can put it on the this side. Okay, one more on this side, and done. As you can see, we have got our family. Then you can put it at this side, for example, so that our trees can be visible properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this one, and then just select this one and create similar, and now I will put it on this face. Okay, and on this face. Actually somebody commented to make this lighting fixtures, so I'm doing that. And what else we need is this one, create similar, and now you can put it like this, and we can put it like this. And we don't need the same thing in the kitchen. What we need in kitchen is that one of the chimney. I will show you in the project. So this is how this works, and you can put it on this side. This is our stair part, so I'm just trying to put it there. And where else you can put it? You can either put it here, or you can select different family. For example, you can select this one, create similar, and now let me try to use it at this portion. I think at this portion, okay, it will work out. Okay, I will try to make it work out. And then where else do we need to put this? We can put it on this side. I think if I can, let me try if I can put it on the stairs right now. So let me hide this one, double S to hide, and then I will select this family, control CS, and now I can put it here. And now we will see that we have got a lighting family at that point, and we will put in the same thing on this side. So just select the same family, CS, and now we will put it on the other side, or you can do is put it on this side. And I think it's fine. And then let's put some of this family, for example CS, and now we will put it beside this mullions. I don't know if it will look good or not, but I'm just trying to put it. And done this parts, and then just escape it. And after that we can select this one, create similar, and you can put it on. I don't think it will work there. No, I don't know about this family, where how to put, how will it work, because if I put it here I cannot find it. So it has got something else. Okay, I will just leave that one, and then we will use some of this family, create similar, and now you can use it on your top side, on your bottom side, or like this to make it work right. And then we will choose this light CS control, and we will put it on the top side. Okay, done. And now we will, what we are going to do is we are going to remove this section box, and done. And then I'm going to put some of the lighting family on the sides and in the build this area. For example, you can just remove it, and I think it's on the right place. Is it okay? This is on the right place. And you can select some of the family from here. This family, which one do we need? This one. You can always select it from components, so from here also you can select it. I've just put all the lighting there, and I'm just pasting it wherever I need right now. So you don't have to do this, you can do it in your own way. So I'm just trying to put it here, done. And then we need to provide it on the in this rooms, the lighting. We don't need so much light on the top, so just remove this too. And we need something in this side. So what we are going to do is we are going to select, let me see, double S to hide, and I will select this one, CS, create similar, and I will try to put it on this side. Okay, let me see if I can. So I have put that light on that side. I can also put it on this side, and will it work or not? I don't know. It will work, but maybe it will be hidden, so let it be. And then we have this portion, so we are going to upper ground floor, and then we are going to select some of the lighting. So you can select it from here, or from here. So I will just select this lighting, or what else I can do. Okay, what I have not done is I have not made any ceiling on the upper ground floor. So just go to upper ground floor, and first of all hide this to double S to hide. Then go to ceiling, and automatic ceiling, and let me try. Okay, it's done, it's done, it's done, and it's done, and done. So we have got our ceiling uh, at all of this point, and we don't need anything else right now. So after making ceiling, just select let me check if it is right. Okay, this is right, but select all of this ceiling except this one. So just press shift and remove this, and after removing this you will see that our height offset is at 8 feet. We will put it at 9 feet, and let me see if it is right. If it is right, then we will keep it. If it is not, then you can just increase its size by 13 feet and done. And I think it will be at the right place. So just go to upper ground level and then select your lighting, and just a minute. So we have already passed 30-minute mark, so we are going to make few more families. So you can select this lighting fixture, I think, or this one only. So you can use this one, or you can go to component and see some of other lighting that we have right now. So what I'm going to use is this one has been used, this all has been used, this all has been used. So let me check for few more lighting, and we don't have something that we need. Okay, first of all you can select this fan and put it on this side, none of the visible element, not a problem. And on the middle side, and let me try to put this same on this ground level. So I will say go to component and then I will put it here, and let me see if there's a fan or not on the ceiling part. So where is our fan? We don't have our fan at this point. We don't have it. Let me check it once more, and let me hide this ceiling. Double S to hide, and we don't have our family at this point. So just press HR. Always remember to save your project. Yesterday I lost some of the in this project work that I did because of that. So just remove this, and just go to upper ground floor and try to put your family. Okay, I cannot put my family like this. So what I'm going to do is, this is our upper portion, so we are going to hide this one, and just select component. Fan is here, and let me see if I can put it this way. Okay, we are going to hide this side portion also. What you can do is just go to section box and select any of the side, make it smaller from every side. For example, we need to put it on the upper side, so we have this upper open area right now, and just select your component and put it like this. Okay, this doesn't work. Why it's not working right now? It was showing me. So let me check it out from the other side. Okay, go to back and make it more smaller from every side, and done. So there is our ceiling. If you cannot see, just go to hidden line, or you can select consistent color or shaded, or I will. Okay, I'll select consistent color component, and let me check I can put it or not. No, I cannot. But why? Name of the may want to activate the view parameter visibility. Okay, so let me check. Let me go to this and select all of this and delete it, and then go to component, and let me see if I can put it this way. Okay, I can put it this way, but there is one more problem. So just select your family. So remove section box, and first of all find your this families, and now you can do is just put it on the upper floor for the height elevation of this is our ground floor, and I think there's something. Okay, no. So let me check what is our elevation size. So just go to this and hide in view category, done. And this roof is at 22 feet, and this where is that one? 5 feet. So 26 feet minus 5 feet, so at 21 feet. So just go to 3D, and okay, no, This is at the upper level, that is upper ground level. Let me try to change it first. First roof end. It's not changing its level. Last roof, can it be changed? No. Okay, just do it first roof and give it an elevation of 0, and now you can see that we have our, okay, we will provide it at last roof and then give it a height offset of 0, and now you can see that we have our fan over that point, and then we have to put the same fan on this point. So just go to architecture component, and now you can see that we have provided one of the family over here, but there's one more problem. It is in the air right now, so just hide this everything on the front portion, and then you can use that component and then put it at this side, and now you can see that we have, okay, no, not yet done. So you can go to ground level component, and then in component just put it here, and now you can see that it will be somewhere here, and then just put it on the first roof end and then give it a height offset of 0, and now you can see that it's there perfectly. So done. So these were our things that we had to do. Then what else we need to provide is just go to this ground level, and we need to provide some of the elements of the kitchen. So I will go to this, and then I will search for something kitchen. Okay, just go to accessories, and then here you will find kitchen. So we have 78 items in kitchen, and you can, as you can see that we have some of the item. For example, this is cooking plate. I will provide this at this point, and just put everything that you want at once, and then give everything a height offset of 1 feet or 2 feet 6 inches. So I will just select these things right now, whatever I need. So done. After that, what else do we need in kitchen? This electric kettle, glass, refrigerator. So you can put it, I don't know which side it's looking, it does look smaller, so I will put it on this side right now. And then bowl, you can put some glass, cup, a tea set, and then we have something, coffee machine. You can also put it on this side. So just remember, everything will be hidden. And then, okay, these are the elements that we need. We just go to this section box, and then front view, and then make it smaller like this, and make it more smaller like this, and then you can hide it, double S to hide. Select every element that you have right now here, hide it, hide it. Okay, just remove this one. I can't find my elements. Where are they? I don't know where I placed that, but I think I did put it there at this side. So let me go to ground level, just hide it, and as you can see, we have everything right now here. So we are just going to select everything and give it a height offset of 2 feet 6 inches. Done. And then HR, and now just remove this part, and now you can see that everything is on place right now. And we need a table at this point, so just go to Enscape, and you can also use the family that you have if you have downloaded something from somewhere else. So table, and we cannot find anything right now. Okay, I will go to furniture right first. Okay, just remove kitchen first, and then you can search for table, and still I don't have table, so I will go to furniture, and I will search for a table. And which table do I need? where's the table? So this side table, this table, this side table or side table, okay, I will try to use it. Okay, this is our table, and what we can do is we can select this family and just rotate it by a little bit, so like this, and then we are going to do create similar, and then I will put it like this. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, just create similar, put it on this side. Okay, done, and then you can rotate by it by a little bit, so done, and just press back. Okay, done. So this is how it looks. This is our kitchen, this is our room, and we need to do something about our room. So just go to upper ground level and you can place a wardrobe over both sides. So let me check if we have some of the family in this regard. So wardrobe is something of this side, in this type, sideboard or something bigger. If you want, you can use this wooden wardrobe. If we have place, let me see if we have place for this. I will put it. Okay, so I think that we have place for it. So just put it on this side, and you can also use the same wardrobe at this side, but there's one problem, that is our wall is hidden right now. So just do one thing, just remove this, and you can put it like this, HR, to get it back, and remove this double S to hide. And if you want to increase the size of this wall, just increase it by a little bit, and now it's done. And after that we need to put some of the lighting fixtures over here. So just go to, let me see if we have some of the lighting families. And what I'm going to use, this edge lighting, no, we are going to this use this one. Okay, I'm just trying to load this family, just drag and drop it, and then you can use it. And if you can't use it, just go to upper ground level ceiling, go to component, and now still I can't use it, so place on the face. Now I can use it. One, two, done. You can put it here and put it here, put it here, put it here, and you can put it here. So three on that side. If you still want to put some of more lighting part, so you can use it on this side. Okay, I will put one here, over here, one over here, one over here. And I think that we have done the bathroom part yesterday, but we have not created some material. So if you want to do interior of this bathroom, you can do one thing, just go to wall, select a wall, any of the wall that you want. Let's go to edit type, duplicate it, and give it a height offset of 1 inches, for example. Just go to this and do 1 inches, and done. After that, select edit, go to this and make a new material, create a new material, and write its name at one dot bathroom, uh, bathroom tiles, and done. And then select material and just go to this, and you will find some of the finished material or flooring material, and here we'll have something for that. Or you can go to tiles option. So let me check what I'm going to use at this point. So roofing, siding, no, not this. Wall film, no. Stucco, no. Where are our tiles? Stone, yes, in stone we can use something. No, not also this one. Concrete, fabric, ceramic. Okay, in this one, if you want to use, you can use this black one, but I will use what I always use. So you can either use this blue one or this black one. So I'm going to use this black wall and give it a height offset. Okay, and give it a height offset of, we are at upper ground floor, and we are going to make it till first floor roof. Okay, we cannot make it till there, so first floor roof band. Okay, till here. So just select this wall and make it, make something like this. And is it wall center line? No, this is wall face exterior. So remember, you have to always press escape one by one, and then only you can do this part. So if you can't see it, let me show you how I'm doing this. Just go to hidden line, and now you can see that we have placed one of our wall, and WA is the wall shortcut, and place one more wall from this side to this side. And I think it's done. If not, just undo WA and just press space, and now you can see that we have done. Now I created, I don't know why it is not being created. Let me check. So that is how you do it. You can do the same thing on the different room. WA is the shortcut. Just select this one and put it like this. No, it has not been created. WA wall face. Let me change it to interior, and I can. Okay, it's all been created, but it is not being shown. So just WA from this side to this side, and then WA from this side to this side. And where is our ventilation? We have to give. Okay, this is our ventilation. Let me see our wall. Okay, I can't find my wall. And on this side also, let me go to realistic and let me check it out. No, can I find it here? No, so it's not being made. So I will just go to wall once again, 1 inches. No, it's not being made. What to do about that? Okay, actually we have one of the problem. All wall has been made, but there is one problem, that is just select every wall that you have made, and we have not changed its size, I think. So just go to edit type, and right now you can see 4.5. Just put it as 1 inches. Sometimes I also make some mistakes. So this is how it's done, and then you need to do is base offset 0. Okay, and done. And HR is the shortcut, and done. And in this portion also, that is why I was thinking that I have not did anything wrong, but still it is showing some of the errors. So if you can't find it, you can just press space, and now you will see that you have wall over that point, and then select this one and select this one, and then select this one, and then give it a base offset of 0, and now you can see that we have our wall. HR is to hide it, and now we have completed making everything right now. And what else left in this project? Let me see. There was one of the chimney. If I can show you uh, from the section view, yes, from the section view you can see that from our kitchen there is one of the chimney going out. So what we will do is we are going to make this chimney. So either you could have done that, as you can see in the picture, that this roof is a bit too small for this one, so you could have made it smaller, but I will keep it the way it is right now. So I am just going to put one of the chimney, and then I will render my project. So go to ground level, go to, and you will also get this family in the description. If it is not provided in the first few hours, it will be provided later on. So I will just try to load it, and then we have to put our chimney at this point. And now let's see it in 3D. If we have our chimney, what is this? This is our light. You can delete this one. And where is our chimney? So just increase the size of height offset of that chimney. So I'm just hiding everything. And where is that chimney gone? Okay, at this place you can put it on the upper ground level, and let me see. Okay, and elevation 0. Always remember to check your elevation. It is always wrong if you have made changes in your elevation. So first to 0, and now I can see it's not coming out still. So first to end and 0, and okay, and press HR, and now I can see that I have a chimney at this point. So done, everything is done. And should I render it right now, or should I do the scheduling? So first I will render it, and then I will do the scheduling part, and then we will move on. So I'm just trying to do everything as fast as I can right now. So just unhide in category, and then escape, resume live update, and I had everything over here, and I have to delete some of these families from the side portion, so I will delete it. So just go to this, and as you can see, it's still rendering it. So just go on to this side and remove some of this lighting family. Just do it this way, and as you can see that if we are doing anything in uh, live updates, our project will not work fine. So let me pause it for a while. Okay, now it will work fine. And now you have to just delete this lighting. Just delete all of this right now. You don't need these things, and not this one. So press shift, then remove this one, delete it. And what else family do we have over here? This part and this part, just remove it. And what else? Let me check if there's something left. No. So press HR, and now you can see that we have one more family. Select this one, delete this one, and now you can resume a live update and just go to this, and now you will see that we have perfectly render our project. Let me see from it from the outside, and now you can see that this is how it looks in the night rendering. Yes, it looks so cool. And in the room I can't find the lighting. Okay, so we have done something wrong at this place. So what we are going to do is just go to this portion, hide this one, double S to hide, and then hide this. Okay, not this one, actually at this portion. As you can see, I'm doing it in live rendering, so it's a little bit slow. So just hide it, hide this ceiling. And actually I think that orientation of the light is at wrong place, so just hide this. Okay, I will have to pause it. Not this portion, I have to hide. Where's that portion? Yeah, okay, at this side. So just try to hide your ceiling, or just try to do this spacebar to change the orientation of your light. So this is how you can change the orientation. Spacebar to change the orientation. And what else you can do is just select everything at once, and just a second, select SA is the shortcut to select all, and then press spacebar. And as you can see that whatever family we would have here in this side, it would have been uh, what we can say is that flipped. So this is how you can flip it. And do we have it somewhere else? Spacebar to change its orientation, HR. And now just resume the live update and go to 3D. And okay, not in 3D, this. And now you can see that it has been rendered. So if you want to keep it this way, it is fine. Like, you can see everything. We have our wardrobe there, we have our book, we have our room. This is our room, how it looks in the night. If you want to change some of the lighting, then I will also show you how you can do that. So this is how it looks. This is our tree, and let me show you from the very front. So this is our lighting. We need to provide a light over this point, so we are going to provide a light on, so at that point. So just select this one, CS. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a light on the inside. I think it is on the outside, so I will delete it. And then I will select this portion, double S to hide. Okay, everything is hidden, and you can use this light. That is our external light actually, but it will look cool inside, so I will just use it. So just put one on this side, and you can put one on this side. Okay, done. So this is how it is done, and we have to provide some of the lighting in the inside. So just select this one, hide in view category, and done. And now okay, done, and then select this lighting fixture, and I will use it on this on the inside portion. So I'm just trying to, okay, not yet done. Double S to hide this one, and double S to hide this one. Select component, we will have the same family. You can put this family also, so I'm also using this family over this point. So done, and at this point, so done. And what else do we need? We need to provide a strip light. So let me search if there is any strip light that can be found. Okay, the CS is for the create similar. You can put it on this side, then you can do the same thing over here. You can do the same thing on the inside, and then you can do the same thing on this side, and then you can also do this, something like this, and something like this. And this is our room. We didn't have any idea what was in it, so I just made that room and nothing else. And what if we want something on? Okay, we will just keep it like this, HR to get everything back, and then press on this reveal hidden, and then just select this one, and then just select any one out of it, and then on hidden category, and just remove this, go to 3D view, and now you can see that this is how our building looks. And we have done one more mistake, that is we have not changed its orientation, so we will do that. Just select everything at once, just select this one, and SA is this shortcut, and then press escape, and not escape, space, so space bar, and now press it twice, and now I can see that it is on this phase, but there's something wrong. It's still on the wrong side. So okay, we will treat that. Okay, this looks good. If you can see that lighting from the outside, and this is where we can start. This is our gate, this is our living room, this is our sofa and this place, and from here you can go to the kitchen from this side. And we have not put any of the light. You can put light over here. We are getting a small lighting. You can put your lighting over this point, and now as you can see that our stair looks good because of the lighting. And I think one or two more lighting is needed at this point, so you can use those lighting. And we should have increased the height of this wall, I think. Okay, you can what you can do is you can make a railing at this point, so I will make a railing at that point. In last video I have increased the size, but my file was not retained after my PC was not responding, so I will just go to railing. Where is our railing? This is our railing, and go to upper ground floor and select here upper ground floor, and here we need to make one of the railings. So just select this line, and we need to make our railing. Where is our stairs? So here is our stair. You can make your railing from this point to where does it end? Not at this point, actually from this point. Okay, from this point to this point, and then give it, just change it first do it. Okay, and then you can change it to glass bottom panel, and done. Now if you go to 3D, and now you can see that we have one of our railing at this point. So you can also make railing at in different point with different color. So, and different types of railing. So this is our bathroom. We have not put any light on this. So, and this is our bedroom, and it looks too good. So you can use a smaller bed at this point. So this is how it looks. And here we have is, let me check what we have. Okay, this is a door, and then from this portion to this portion there is one of our room, I think. And from here you can see that we have one more room at this point, and we have wardrobe, and we have our bathroom, but we have not put any light in this, so it will be also in dark, so no problem. Just go outside, and now you can see that this is how our building looks from the other side. So I think that from this side it looks too good. You can change the timing with the space bar and the right button on your mouse, and now you can see how does it look, and I think it looks awesome. So I can put it as thumbnail also. So this is what we wanted, and you can also make some road, but I don't think we need any road at this point. So just you can do is, from here you can either use shift F11, or you can click on this point, and then you can have this as a exported image. So this is our rendering, and now you can see that it is rendering. It will take 20 second or 10 second to render one pic. So we have rendered it from this side. You can also render it from this side, and then you can match it with our project. We have just different color of this wooden material, so I didn't find that the same material, so I used whatever we had. But as you can see, I'm taking screenshots. You can also make videos, so you can find how to render a video in Inkscape. So I have made a whole video and that on that thing, and now you can see that this looks so awesome. And I think I have perfected this. So if you have to say anything, you can write in the comments below. And let me check the timing first. So it's already 1 hour 1 minute. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do scheduling, and what else we can do. And we are not going to do anything else today. So I will just schedule it, and then I will end this tutorial and done. And let's take one more round, and you can see in the morning also it's how does it look. So this is our morning view, and this is our, okay, as you can see we have some of the element coming over here. You can put it down, so not a problem. And here we have one more problem, that is we have to make one more stair. So just go, okay, let me just pause it and just go to 3D views. Always remember to save your project, don't forget it. And then at this portion, double is to hide, and here you can make one more stair. So double is to hide and go to front view. Okay, this at this portion, just go to edit stair, and let me see if I can make one more stair. Edit by sketch, and on the top, okay, what I have to do is I have to make one more riser. So I will make it from this. Okay, first increase the size of boundary and do it in hidden line, and just increase it by a little bit, and from here to here it has been increased. And just select this one, copy this one from this side to this side, and now trim it, trim, done. And just increase the stair path, and okay, and just go to 3D finish, and I think something will be found again. So not a problem, and just do it. Okay, number of stairs we need to reduce. So okay, done. So we have just increased the number of stairs, and now it will be grounded. And resume live update, go to 3D, and I think that it is right, but okay, we can just increase the size of that. we can just make the offset a bit more on the upper side for this floor. So you can do it like this. Go to edit surface, let me first cancel it. Go to edit surface and then just increase this size as, for example, just select this two, and we have a height offset of 1 feet, for example, and then just finish it, and this is how you can do it. So just try to make it by your own, and I don't know what it is, so I think it's our crop region. Okay, this is our crop region, I told you. And now we are going to make some scheduling and we will end this session. So just go to schedule, new schedule, and then we have to make scheduling of doors. So just go to door and then go to family type, and then you can select height. Okay, label, there is our family and type, and what I'm just pressing control button and selecting everything that I need. So no type, you can use type mark, so I will use type mark, and width, and is height, I think. One more, there is our height, this is our height. So just all of this, and do we need anything else for this one? So I'll just mix it in through this one. So we have some of our door, and you can see that type mark is it. You can just rename it as, let me check what is the name of it, and it's 6 feet. So that's D1, and it will ask you to rename all of those. So just do it as D1. Okay, D1, and done, and rename it as D2, and done. So these are our walls. You can just remove family and type, and you can see, just go to edit, sorting, height, not by height, done. Go to sorting, go to label, header, and here you can go for type mark, done, and okay. And now you will see that we have something at the ground level and upper ground level, and this is how our doors are. So these are the number of doors that we have used, and after that what else we need to make it is, okay, we don't need anything. You can do your family like this only. So windows, if you want, then just go to this and select windows, and we are going to make some of the views. So just go to this east view and just hide in category, and we are going to make some sheet. And one more thing, that is, okay, just go to hide in category and just remove everything, and we need to do is take a section view. So I will take ground level, and then you can remove these things. So I've just removed my image. Just go to this hide in category, done, and after that just take a section view, and you can take a section view from this side to this side, and then you can take a section view from this portion. This is our stair portion, so I'm going to take a section view from this side, and then I will go to upper ground level, and then hide everything that you want to. Then just go to this hiding view category, and then select one more section view, and you can make it this way. So we have got some of our section view, and you can see it how it looks. So this is our section view, this is our tray in the middle, and this is one of the section view. You can also select it from here. So we have three section views, and second section view, then third section view, and this is how our building looks from every side. So you can use this section view, and then you can duplicate this or go to east view, and now you can see this is our east view, north view, south view, and in south view you can just go to hide category, done. In west view, hide, first of all select this one, hide in view category, and now it is all hidden, and this is our west view. And here you can see our floor plan. So just go to this hide in view category, done. And so we are going to make new sheet. So just go to this sheet and go to sheet, load a sheet, and I will use a sheet, and you will also get this sheet family, so sheet template actually. So I will also provide this one. So where is our sheet? Okay, and here's my sheet. Open. Okay, and now it's done. And after that, just put everything that you need. So first of all, I'm going to put the views. For example, this east view, and now you can see that we have a very long view right now. So what we can do is just go to east, and then here you can go for crop view and crop region, and now you can make it smaller. For example, we just made this portion, just this portion, and from here to here. You can also do it another way, that is, first of all you can make it a duplicate. So you can also do that. For first portion I will not do that. For north portion I will duplicate it first, and then duplicate and give it a name of north sheet. Okay, and now you can see, if I go to sheet A101, you can rename it later on and just put it on this side. And if you want to reduce the size of it, so you can do that also. So just go to east view, and here our size is 3/8, so just reduce it by 1/4. And now if you go to sheet, and okay, it's a bit larger, so I will again go to this 3/4. We had 1/10. Okay, 1/10 is a bit larger. We will have to select it from this side. Okay, and now you can go to sheet, and now you will see that we have a smaller sheet, but you can see there's a line below this, so you can go to edit type, remove this, and okay, view title none, and show title no. Okay, done. So I'm just trying to do everything as fast as I can right now. So from here you can select your north view, and you can edit. You can also edit from the sheet only. So okay, I will do that in next portion. So just go to this crop view, crop region, and select this one and make it smaller from this portion to this portion, and from this portion to this portion. So this is our north view, and then I will use some of the section view, and from here 1/8 instead of 1/8. Okay, I will use 1/8 only, and go to this unnamed, and you can put it here. Then go to section view, put your first section view, and then you can put your second section view. And okay, I will just put this two section view. After that you can make a new sheet in which you can use your this sheet only, and then you can use your schedule. For example, I have the store schedule, I will put it here. After that, what else we have, you can put your ground level. Okay, did I used it? Okay, I have not used it, so just do it this way and go to this ground level, or you can do undo, go to ground level, and then duplicate, and then go to this HR. Okay, done. Okay, then just select this view, hidden view category, and everything is hidden. Selecting view, hidden view category, done. And then we have this portion. We have not made any of the detailing parts, so what we can do is just go to DI for dimension, and you can take your dimension from inner face to inner face. So just select wall faces, and you can select your faces from here to here, and this is done. Then you can select your dimension from here to here, and this is done. You can select your dimension from here to here, and this is done. You can select your, okay, this portion is done. And you can also make a duplicate of top portion. So just use it, go to this hiding view category, and hiding view category. So whatever I'm hiding, it is just hiding in this the copied version of it. So just rename it as food dot copy one. Instead of copy one, you can rename it as sheet. So done. And then DI for dimension, and take inner wall dimension from here to here. We have 10 to 12 feet, I don't know. Just select this one, give it a dimension, give it a dimension, give it a dimension, give it a dimension. I'm just trying to make it as fast as I can. You can do it slowly. So after this I will just end my session. So this portion is done, this portion is done, this outer portion is done, this bathroom portion has not yet been done. So I will just select this one done. You can also select this one, and then you can put it on this side. Okay, and done this portion, and what else is left? There is this portion, so I will just put this kitchen and like this, and done. Okay, I'm just trying to make it So just go to your sheet number 102 and select this ground floor. Okay, this is our copy of ground floor, so you can put it here, and then you can do is activate view, and then here you can select crop view, crop region. Okay, and then let me check if I can make it smaller, and yes, I can do it. So in this way you can make it as small as you want. So this is done, and let me check if I can move it. Okay, this is how you can move it and make it smaller from this side, and done. And hiding view element done, and then you have to select this one, and okay, not yet. Okay, that was in the active view. I will just remove the active view, go to sheet, and then upper ground level. Okay, this is how it is done. And if you want to do something about this, so just go to this crop region, crop view, and done. And then select this one, make it smaller from this side, make it smaller from this side, make it smaller from this side, and make it smaller from this side, and done. And I think it is just fine. Okay, I will keep it, and done. And this hiding view element, and everything is done. And you can also use this annotation crop. And how can I show you this? Okay, just go to this crop region, and here you can see that if we do it this way, as you can see, then, and I will remove it, and as you can see, our this portion is left, but in the portion inside this is hidden. As you can see, we can put one more portion, yes, like this. So annotation crop is the dimension, so you can just use that portion also, just remove everything, and now we have this portion. And then we can do is just rename the sheets, and I will rename it, and rename it as section view, section view. Okay, not like this, just go to this, rename it, and rename it as section view, done. And here you can write it as schedule schedule, portion, elevation. You can give it whatever name you want. Just save your project, and you can change your project name, author name from here. So for example, this is sheet number 101 and drawn by author. Okay, so you can change author. For example, I'm writing my name here, and I will just copy it, and I will just put it like this, and remove this. Okay, this portion, and this portion, and this portion, and put it like this. And now you can see, okay, it's not showing yet. Okay, just put it like this, select all, copy, project name Luciano, Kurk, and this is 101 You can write your project number, that is 004 right now. Issue date, what is the date of today? And this is 9th May 2021. So 9/5/21, and then it is done. So just go to this second, and you can do the same thing. So everything is done. As you can see in first one also, everything is done and drawn by just me, so Saurabh Bharti, and done. And as you can see, we have everything. Just save your project, and you can make changes by your own, whatever else you want. So I've shown you everything. I did everything for this project from starting to the end, and this this project is completed. And thank you for watching. And whatever you want to ask, you can ask in the comment section, and I will try to reply you as soon as possible. So this was our project, and we have completed the whole portion, and you can find everything of this project in the description. Even this project, that completed project, will be given to you. So try to make use of it. Thank you for watching, and we will start new project. I don't know, from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So thank you. And today we have reached our 1 hour 20-minute mark at exact. So